Hello everyone, welcome to AKN Sprint Education. Myself Naveen, I am the Maths Mentor, and today's session let us discuss about chapter number 9 from class 10th, tangents and secants to a circle, the most important 2-mark questions and 4-mark questions, right? As from this chapter we will get one 8-mark question, that is construction. That video we have discussed earlier only. Children, don't forget to hit subscribe button, like it and share it with your friends, right? Coming to question number 1, a point P is 25 centimeter from the center O of the circle. The length of the tangent drawn from P to the circle is 24 centimeter. Find the radius of the circle. What is given? The first point is a point P is 25 centimeter from the center O of the circle. So let us draw the circle. This is the center of the circle. Point is 25 centimeter away from the center of the circle. So suppose this is our point P. Distance between O and P is 25 centimeter. The length of the tangent drawn from P to the circle is 24 centimeter. So let us draw this tangent. For example, this is our tangent. Let me call it as A. So AP is our tangent. What is the length of the tangent is given here, which is given 24 centimeter. Now they are asking to find the radius of the circle. So this is our radius. OA is our radius. Children, did you understand the question? What is given? Length of the tangent is given 24 centimeter and the distance between center to the point which is away from the center of the circle is 25 centimeter. Now they are asking to find the radius of the circle. Okay? As we know that this is our radius and this is our tangent. We know that radius is perpendicular to the tangent. Right? Radius is perpendicular to the tangent. Therefore, triangle OAP is a right angle triangle. OAP is a right angle triangle. As we know that the side opposite to right angle is called as hypotenuse. So here we can apply Pythagoras theorem. Okay. Now in triangle OAP, in triangle AOP or OAP, OP is the hypotenuse. So according to Pythagoras theorem, square of hypotenuse equal to sum of the squares of other two sides. OP square equal to OA square plus AP square. So OP is 25. So 25 square equal to OA is R square plus AP is 24. So 25 square equal to 25 into 25, 625 equal to R square plus 24 square means 576. 24 into 24. 576 you transpose, 625 minus 576 equal to R square. So 15 minus 6 9, 11 minus 4 7, that is 49 equal to R square. Square you transpose children, root over 49 equal to R. So what is the square root of 49? Square root of 49 is 7. So what is the radius children? They are asking to find the radius of the circle. Therefore radius of the circle equal to 7 centimeter. Children, did you understand the question? How they are asking? Yes. The same manner, the similar method question. Let me say the length of the tangent to a circle from point 17 centimeter from its center is 8 centimeter. Find the radius of the circle. What is given? The length of the tangent to a circle from a point 17 centimeter from its center is 8 centimeter. So second question children, let me write down the question if you want. Second question, the length of the tangent to a circle to a circle from a point 17 centimeter from its center is from its center is 8 centimeter, find, they are asking to find the radius of the circle. See children, the same similar manner question. The length of the tangent to a circle from a point 17 centimeter from its center is 8 centimeter. Okay. So what is the distance between center to a point, which is equal to length of the tangent to a circle from a point 17 centimeter from its center is 8 centimeter. So children, what is given? Given length of the tangent is given how many centimeter? Length of the tangent is given 8 centimeter. Distance between center to a circle is how many centimeter? Which is 17 centimeter. Now they are asking to find the radius, right? They are asking to find the radius of the circle. The length of the tangent to a circle from a point 17 centimeter from its center is 8 centimeter, right? So we have to find the radius of the circle. Radius of the circle, right? So children, we know that the similar manner, they are asking to find the radius of the circle. So by using Pythagoras theorem, OP square equal to OA square plus AP square. What is OP children? OP is 17, 17 square equal to OA R square plus AP is 8 square. So 17 square is 289 equal to R square plus 8 square is 64. Plus 64 you transpose 289 minus 64 equal to R square. 9 minus 4 5, 8 minus 6 2, which is equal to R square. Square if you transpose root over 25 equal to R. So what is the square root of 25? Square root of 25 is 5, right? Therefore what is the radius of the circle? Therefore the radius of the circle is equal to 5 cm. Children, did you understand? The given length of the tangent is 8 cm. The point is which is 17 cm from its center, right? So they are asking to find the radius of the circle. The similar manner, OP square equal to OA square plus AP square. So this type of problems they are asking in the public examination. Now coming to third question, find the length of the tangent from a point which is 9.1 cm away from the center of the circle whose radius is 8.4 cm. Children, coming to first question, second question, this question is little bit different. Here they are asking to find the length of the tangent. Okay, this is our center, this is our point P. AP is the tangent, right? AP is the tangent, OA is the radius, OP is the distance from center to point which is away from the center of the circle. They are asking to find what? Length of the tangent. This we have to find. Length of the tangent. Given radius how much? Radius is given 8.4 centimeter. A point which is 9.1 centimeter away from the center of the circle. Distance between center to a point is 9.1 centimeter. Okay children. So children, we have a shortcut also. To find the length of the tangent, we have the formula root over d square minus r square. What do you mean by d? D is nothing but distance between center to the point which is away from the circle, center of the circle. And what is r? R is nothing but radius. This is our radius. So length of the tangent formula what? Root over d square minus r square. You can apply Pythagoras theorem also. Again you will get the same thing. So children, how to find the length of the tangent? We have the formula L equal to root over d square minus r square. So distance is 9.1 whole square minus 8.4 whole square. So which is in the form of a square minus b square. I can write as a plus b into a minus b. So 9.1 plus 8.4, 9.5 that is 17.5 into 9.1 minus 8.4. 11 minus 4 7, so 0.7. Okay children, let us multiply 17.5 into 0.7. 7 5 is 35, 7 7 is 49 plus 2, 49 plus 3 52, 7 1 is 7 plus 5 12. So after point 1, I mean 2 digits, root over 12.25. So what is the square root of 1225, which is equal to 35? Yes. So square root of 12.25 is 3.5. So what is the length of the tangent, children? Length of the tangent is 3.5 centimeter. Children, did you understand? You can do it directly also, which is in the form of a square minus b square. A plus b into a minus b. 9.1 plus 8.4, 17.5. 9.1 minus 8.4, 0.7. Let us multiply these two, you will get 12.25. So which is equal to 3.5 centimeter. Okay. So the similar manner, let us do one more question. Find the length of the tangent from a point which is, let us take 13 centimeter from the 13 centimeter away from the center of the circle, whose radius equal to, let us take 5 centimeter. So similar children, L equal to root over d square minus r square. D value how much children? Distance is 13 centimeter. R value how much children? R is 5 centimeter. So 13 square minus 5 square. 13 square 169, 5 square 25. 169 minus 25, which is equal to 144. 144 means 12 centimeter. Children, this is familiar question only. 13 square 169, 5 square 25. 169 minus 25, 144. So square root of 144 is 12 centimeter. So what is the length of the tangent in this case? Length of the tangent equal to 12 centimeter. Okay children, either they may ask radius of the circle or they may ask the length of the tangent to a circle. These two method sums are the most important method sums. Now coming to question number 5. A circle of radius 3 centimeter is inscribed in a triangle ABC and AF equal to 5 centimeter, BF equal to 3 centimeter. AF equal to 5 centimeter. This is F equal to 5 centimeter and BF is given 3 centimeter as shown in the figure. Somu said that measure of the sides AC is, he is saying length of the side AC is 17 centimeter. Do you agree? Give reasons. Okay children, let us find now. A circle of radius 3 centimeter. What is the radius here? Radius is 3 centimeter. So this is 3 centimeter. Right? So children, so this point we called as D. Listen carefully. D is an external point. Length of the tangent drawn from external point to a circle are equal. I mean D is an external point. BD is on tangent. BF is another tangent. If BF equal to 3 centimeter, automatically BD also 3 centimeter. Right? Next. So A, B, C, D. Let me call it as point E. A is an external point. AF and AE are the tangents drawn from external point to a circle. If AF equal to 5 centimeter, AE also 5 centimeter only. BF is 3, BD is 3. AF equal to 5, then AE also 5. Now coming to point C, which is an external point. Now CD and CE are the tangents drawn from external point to a circle. We don't know, let the length of the CD is x centimeter, then this is also x centimeter. Is it clear? Here we are using theorem 9.2, length of the tangents drawn from external point to a circle are equal. Right? So AF and AE are the tangents drawn from external point to a circle. They are equal 5, 5. BF and BD are the length of the tangents drawn from external point to a circle. They are equal. BD equal to 3, BF also 3. CE is an external point. CD and CE are the tangents drawn from external point to a circle. They are also equal. See children, now if you observe properly, what is this? B, D, O, F. See each and every side 3, 3, 3, 3. All the four sides are equal. Nothing but which is a, what is the type of quadrilateral? That is called square. Children, we know that in a square each and every angle equal to how many degrees? 90 degrees. So angle B equal to how many degrees, children? Angle B equal to 90 degrees. So hence I can say that a triangle in which one angle is 90 degrees, that is said to be which triangle? Right angle triangle. So children, ABC we call it as a right angle triangle. Are you understanding my point? Because BDOF is a square. Why is we call it as square? All four sides are equal. If all four sides are equal, we call it as square. In a square, each and every angle is 90 degrees from the property of square. So angle B 90 degrees. Therefore, ABC is which triangle? That is right angle triangle. Right? So the side opposite to right angle triangle is AC. So I say that AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. So AC equal to how many centimeter? AC equal to 17. 17 square equal to AB how much? AB is AF plus BF. I mean 5 plus 3, 8. And what is BC? BC is 3 plus x. BC is 3 plus x whole square. So 17 square is 289. 8 square is 64. A plus B whole square. A square plus B square plus 2 into A into B. So 289 equal to 64 plus 3 square 9 plus x square plus 2 3 is 6x. So 289 equal to 64 plus 9, 9 plus 4 13, 73 plus x square plus 6x. Let us transpose. So you will get x square plus 6x plus 73 minus 289 equal to 0. From 289 you subtract 73, which is equal to 216. X square plus 6x minus 216 equal to 0. Right? X square so children, AB is 5 plus 3 whole square. AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. AB how much? 5 plus 3, 8. So children, we did wrong here. AC how much? As it is not given, we need to show that AC is 17. AC is 5 plus x whole square, children. AC is what? 5 plus x whole square. Let me do it from once again. AC is given what? We need to show that AC is 17. Okay? AC is given 5 plus x whole square. AB is 8 and BC is 3 plus x whole square. Right? So 5 plus x whole square, I mean a plus b whole square. A square plus b square plus 2ab. 2 into 5, 10x. 8 square means 64. Again 3 plus x whole square. A square plus b square plus 2ab. 2 3 is 6x. X square cancel. 5 square means 25 plus 10x equal to 64. 3 square means 9 plus 6x. So 25 plus 10x equal to 64 plus 9, 73 plus 6x. 6x you transpose. 10x minus 6x equal to 73 minus 25. So 4x equal to 13 minus 5, 8. 6 minus 2, 4. So x equal to 48 by 4. I mean 4 1 ja, 4 2 ja. So x equal to how many centimeter, children? 12 centimeter. So this is how many centimeter? Which is 12 centimeter. So this is also 12 centimeter. Now you see, children, this is 12 centimeter, this is 5 centimeter. So 12 plus 5, which is equal to how many centimeter? 7 centimeter. Okay? Children, did you understand? Somu said that measure of side AC is 17 centimeter. Do you agree? Yes, I agree. Because AC equal to how many centimeter we got? We got AC equal to 17 centimeter. Before we took AC value only 17, we should not take like that. AC is nothing but AE plus C, 5 plus X. We got X value 12 centimeter. Okay children, this question is also the most important question. Okay, this question they asked in TS June 2018. TS June 2018. This method of question which is there in your textbook also exercise 9.2. Okay children, you practice once so that you will get easily 4 mark question. Now coming to sixth problem, in the given figure, TA, TB are tangents to the circle with center O. TA, TB are tangents to a circle with center O. Angle ATB is 80 degrees. ATB 80 degrees. Then find the measure of angle ABT. They are asking to find the measure of ABT. Then find the measure of angle ABT. We need to find the measure of ABT. So children, we know that the length of the tangents drawn from external point to a circle are equal. So T is an external point, TA equal to TB. Length of the tangents drawn from external point to a circle are equal. These two sides are equal. If you say TAB is a triangle, if we consider TAB is a triangle, so these two sides are equal. If two sides are equal, then the angles opposite to equal sides are also equal. Angle opposite to TB is A, angle opposite to TA is B. These two angles are equal. Let this angle be x degrees, then this angle is also x degrees. So x degrees, 80 degrees. By using angle sum property of a triangle, we can find easily what is ABT. Children, did you understand the concept? What is given? TA and TB are the tangents. We know that length of the tangents drawn from external point to a circle are equal. So two sides are equal. Then sides angles opposite to equal sides are also equal. Opposite to TB is angle A, opposite to TA is angle B. They are equal because these two sides are equal. Now we got which is an isosceles triangle, right? In triangle TAB, angle ATB plus angle TAB plus angle TBA, which is equal to 180 degrees. Angle sum property of a triangle. Angle ATB is 80, TAB is x degrees, ABT also x degrees, which is equal to 180. 80 you transpose x plus x, 2x equal to 180 minus 80. 2x equal to 180 minus 80, 100. So x equal to 100 by 2, 2 1 jar, 250 jar. So x is equal to how many degrees? X equal to 50 degrees. Therefore, what is the value of angle ABT? Angle ABT equal to 50 degrees. ABT, this is 50. ABT, this is 50 degrees. Okay children? If you know the concept, we can do it easily children. Okay?